Hello everyone and welcome to JJ Squad. I decided to do something different today while I'm cleaning the cage. I'm actually going to let them play a little bit and then while I'm cleaning. That way y'all can see how somewhat sociable they are or not, because sometimes they can be sometiming. I'm going to turn it this way so everybody can see them. Right now it is, what time is it? Probably 6:50 right now in the morning. So they in their own little phase. Just not waking up, so let me get it a little closer. And let me take a picture too. Right now, Calypso is not even paying Skittles no mind right now.